Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to block texts on Android phone so you can stop unwanted messages from cluttering your inbox. We will walk you through the simple process of restricting contacts and managing your blocked list. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to go to the message option on your device to open up your list of current conversations. This app is the central hub for all your text-based communication and is where you can begin managing your privacy and contact permissions. Step 2 is to select whom you want to block from your conversation list and then click on that specific chat to open it. Opening the conversation allows you to access the detailed contact information and specific settings required to silence that particular sender. Step 3 is to go to their profile and then click block and report spam to initiate the restriction process. Once you tap block and click yes, the system will stop all future notifications from this number and move the conversation away from your main inbox. Step 4 is to go to the setting or profile option at the top of your Messages app for a quick status check. Navigating to this area is important because it gives you access to the administrative side of your messaging app where all restricted data is stored. Step 5 is to click spam and blocked to view and manage every number that you have successfully restricted from your phone. This list is very useful for confirming that a contact has been blocked or for unblocking someone if you ever need to receive their messages again. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful mobile tips.